Hey YouTube. So I bought a skincare fridge. I know it's like so super trendy and like why do you have a fridge? But I'm hoping it'll protect my skincare products. I just bought some good stuff and I want it to last. It kind of encouraged me to use it. But yeah, this unboxing is about to be so ASMR. Enjoy. Okay, enough of that. Let's get this thing plugged in. Oh, and make some space for it. There's quite a bit on our counter, I realized. Okay, so I got her up and running. She's nice and quiet, so not a huge interruption in the bathroom. But I did put my products inside. These are the reason I really wanted to buy a skincare fridge because I'm making some better investments in the things that I use for my face. And hopefully, this will do as it says, keep my skincare fresher for longer and be a nice addition to my daily skincare routine. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, so I noticed during editing there was kind of like a loud sort of humming, buzzing sound in the background. That's just the apartment, some other stuff. Is the machine, maybe the washing machine's running. Um, but this really doesn't make a lot of sound at all, so I just wanted to give you a better idea of what this really sounds like. If you can hear the fan, hold on. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchase thus far, and hopefully I won't be sad about it later. Ugh, it's tough to open if you're not like holding it in place. It's really just a magnet closure. Um, it's not a real door handle. It's just something to grab to open it up. But yeah, it stayed pretty cold in there. You can kind of see where the blue starts. This is where it's really like cold, and this is just sort of like a little cooler, but it's pretty much the same temperature as the rest of it. But it stayed pretty cool inside there, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is in the morning. I did this, plugged it in and stuff in the evening, so it hasn't been plugged in for very long. It's just been, long enough for us to sleep and wake up. Hasn't even been 24 hours yet, but it's like fully cold in there. It's a nice temperature, and everything's cool to the touch now. So far I'm really happy with my purchase. And if you guys are interested, again, I bought this from Bath and Body Works. And keep in mind, this fridge is actually like $60, but I bought it for $35. I saw online that there was a discount, like a sale, and when she rung it up at the register, it, came up as full price. And I asked her and I said, wait a minute, like when I saw it online, it cost less. And so the manager came over and she price matched it for me. So, yeah, if you guys ever see anything that is advertised for lower than they actually charge you in the store, then, whip out an advertisement. They will definitely, most places will price match for you and give you the price that was advertised when you saw it. It's what brought me into the store. So, charge me what thought I was gonna pay, guys. But yeah, I'm sorry, oh my gosh, I always get them confused. It's Bed Bath and Beyond, not Bath and Body Works. Even though I did end up going to those stores the same time on the same day, I've got some products from there if you guys are interested in those as well. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more unboxing videos like this. I am kind of on a spending hiatus, but hopefully I'll still be able to make some nice investments in some products you guys would be interested in too. Subscribe, share, like, love y'all.